Baba Mfundhisi, wayimintendla ngakungcono. Baba Mfundhisi, kubetsa isana swingwe dzolo. Baba Mfundhisi, Bible me come and say nesonto. Baba Mfundhisi, moinga busakutala ngino. Okay, now let's do this. Go visiko. Baba Mfundhisi, roll up the joint. Baba Mfundhisi, azisheke. Baba Mfundhisi, got plans, start the time. We prove Baba Mfundhisi, go visiko. Baba Mfundhisi, roll up the joint. Baba Mfundhisi, azisheke. Baba Mfundhisi, got plans, start the time. We prove Baba Mfundhisi, bakufana lumpani, bakutshintsha mhlobo kwalinakwala, bakwanyela kujuta. Loko ripela batlini, bakumeka chipping. Mara tsonto kerkini, batendla ngakubagwetsini. The Bible says, mara ba-comply. Khunweni batsati izolo bathlela babawish I can fly. Loko batshwa xifayifani, batumbela iBhayibheli. Bafundhisi bathi spy, balikutlangeni ka xibhayibhayi. Baba Mfundhisi, wayimintendla ngakungcono. Baba Mfundhisi, kubetsa isana swingwe dzolo. Baba Mfundhisi, Bible me come and say nesonto. Baba Mfundhisi, moinga busakutala ngino. Okay, now let's do this. Go visiko. Baba Mfundhisi, roll up the joint. Baba Mfundhisi, azisheke. Baba Mfundhisi, got plans, start the time. We prove Baba Mfundhisi, go visiko. Baba Mfundhisi, roll up the joint. Baba Mfundhisi, azisheke. Baba Mfundhisi, got plans, start the time. We prove Baba Mfundhisi. No parents' hearts, man. This is just a wake-up call towards the sons and daughters of Mother Earth. Brothers and sisters, please beware of snake charmers and swindlers who manipulate human emotions and offer easy and immediate solutions to suffering. Success in ministry does not necessarily mean they are doing God's work. These false prophets are changing the grace of God into a license of immorality. They preach prosperity, material things, and worldly things. They sell blessed product for profits. They're exposing the sabotage of Christianity from within. They are prophets, spelled P-R-O-F-I-T-S. Prophets.